Welcome to Integrity Data. In this tutorial, we're going to go over paid lunches. In the event that you do pay lunches and want them recorded, we'll need to set up the paid lunch policy. For that, we'll go to Configuration and Paid Lunch. And I've already got one in here. We'll go ahead and add another one. Add new paid lunch. Give it a name, whatever you want in here. Short and sweet, and the number of minutes that this is going to be paid, and click Save. And there we have it. So that's all that is to adding the paid lunch. But if you don't have paid lunch in your system already, we would need to look in your pay types under Configuration Company Setup and make sure that we do have the paid lunch inside your pay types. And we've got LPC, which means lunch paid closed, which comes directly from the employees clocking in and out for lunch. But we also need an LPE, which is lunch paid edited, should an administrator or supervisor have to go in and fix and put an out to an in or an in to an out or add a lunch altogether. So these must be in the system before the lunch is going to work, even if you have the paid lunch policy set up. Now back to our paid lunch. To assign the employees, we can click here on Assign Employees. Then we would click Filter. You could select a specific department and click Filter, and only those people will come up that are in this department. Or you could just click Filter and all the employees that you have access to would show up, and you can just click on the employee that you want to have that lunch, the paid lunch that you just set up. Click Confirm. Are you sure? And OK. That employee is now set up for a paid lunch so that when they clock in and out for lunch, it will come across as paid instead of non-paid. Thank you for watching.